Hey, it's Crossy from American Thunder magazine. Today we're out at Revesby, C&R Engineering with Chris and Yas, who's hiding over in the corner there. Chris is going to tell us a little bit about a bike that he had over here a couple of years ago when we were here, and he's now done it up. I know it's a shovel, but he's going to tell me a bit more. How are you, Chris?
Yeah, not too bad, Crossy. How are you?
Yeah, really good. Been good?
Yeah, mate, yeah.
Working hard?
Yeah, trying to.
Well, last time I seen this bike, it was in the corner and it was a little bit of a mess.
Yeah,
Just tell me a little bit about where you
was.
found it and that.
Yeah. No, well, a guy gave us a call a couple of years ago and said he'd like to restore his old bike that he had since new. And we sort of said, yeah, no worries, yeah, bring it along and we'll have a look, you know. So he's brought it in here and the thing was a total mess. Yeah, so I've been sitting in the shed for 23 years. It's a 1973 FLH Shovelhead. And it just totally rusty. Couldn't even push it in here because all the brakes were seized up and it was just totally, total mess. So so we got it in, tore it all down and just slowly, started putting it back together, you know, cab plating and chroming and painting and just rebuilding everything along the way. So it ended up being a bit of a project, but she's all finished now and it's good to see her, you know, bike finally finished and going out the shop sort of thing. But yeah, good.
That's excellent. It looks really good. You've done a lot of work. What do you do when you first get it in? Do you just pull it all apart and then start on it? Yeah,
we just pull it all apart and, like everything that goes to powder coating goes in one pile, chroming in another pile, you know, all the cab plating and, everything just goes in separate piles and we just, get it all organised and then just once we sort of get it all done, we just piece it all back together.
Just wandering around the workshop here at C&R Engineering and come across a panhead. So tell me about this one too.
Well, this is a basket case I picked up a few years ago now, probably about 3.5 years ago, I'd say. And a guy had sort of started collecting bits and pieces for it, and the motor and transmission, that was in another later model roller. So I pulled it all apart, got the frame for it, and all bits and pieces and everything, and just slowly put it together. It's a 59 pan, and we sort of basically got it to the point where she's basically ready to go.
And there's one of these sold for a fair amount of money or something, didn't it?
Yeah, well, Jerry Lee Lewis had one back in his day, and it sold in the auction in America for $450,000. So
So you think you might get that much for it?
Oh, I might get 400, I think.
If it had a famous person owned it, you'd be laughing.
Oh yeah, I'd reckon. I could tell them that Elvis owned it, couldn't I?
You probably could. You might get away with it. It's that era.
That's it. Yeah.
That's a ripper, that one.
Yeah, you can do a bit of photo shooting nowadays, and you can put somebody into it and
make it look like somebody else. All right, excellent.